Next we start with question number 3. In question number 3, these are the informations given: weight in gram, number of apples. We have to find mean to the nearest gram using step deviation method. So first we start with the class marks. We have to find the class mark, that is lower interval plus upper interval by 2, that is 82.5. Next is 87.5. Next is 92.5. Next is 97.5. Next is 102.5. Next is 107.5. Next is 112.5. Now we assume the middle one, assumed mean. This we take it as assumed mean. So we have to find out the value of t, that is xi minus a by I. I is the width of the class interval, which is 5. So which on calculating we get here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then ft, f into t, that is minus 15, minus 16, minus 10, 0, 8, 8, 9, which on simplifying we get minus 16, and sigma f we calculate, that is 50. Now we have to find mean. Mean is equal to a plus sigma ft by sigma f into I. So our mean is 97.5 minus 16 by 50 into 5. So this we cancel, we get 97.5 minus 1.6, that comes to 95.9 gram. But answer has asked us to give to nearest gram, that is we have to write 96 gram. This is to the nearest gram. Now next question number 2, bit 2. We have Mr. Y gets 6455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of 14% per annum in an RD account. So maturity value is 6455, rate is 14%, time n is 12 months. Then maturity value is given, so we are using this formula. Maturity value is 12 into P. We have to find here principal, find the monthly installment. So 12P plus 12 into 13 into P n plus 1 PR by 2400. Maturity value given is 6455. This side on simplifying we get 12P plus 12, 2s are 24, 0, 0, 100, 7. So we get here 91P by 100, which on taking the LCM and all we get 1291P by 100. So P is equal to 6455 into 100 by 1291, which on simplifying we get rupees 500 to be the monthly installment. Then bit number 3. In this, a rectangular tank is there. Length is given 4 meters. Breadth is given, breadth or width is given 3 meters. Volume is given 30 meter cube. So volume of the model tank is given 240 centimeter cube. This we change it to meter cube, so it is 240 by 100 into 100 into 100. This is meter cube. Now tank length into breadth into height is volume. So length is given 4, breadth or the height is given 3, breadth or the width is given 3, height we have to find out, volume is 30. So height is 30 by 12, which on simplifying we get 2.5 meter. Scale factor, we take it as K. So volume of model is equal to K cube into volume of model tank, volume of tank. Okay, so we have 240 by 100 into 100 into 100 is equal to K cube into 30. So we simplify this. K cube is equal to 240 by 30 into 100 into 100 into 100, which on simplifying we get 3 8s are 24, that is 2 by 100 whole cube is here K cube. So taking cube root we get K is equal to 2 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 50. Okay, then we have to find length, breadth and height of the model. So length of the model we are finding out. Of model, length is equal to 1 by 50 into the dimensions given here were in meter, 4 meter, that we are changing to centimeter, into 400, that is 8 centimeter. Breadth is 1 by 50 or the width into 300, that is 6 centimeter, and height, which we have calculated here 2.5, is 1 by 50 into 250, that is 5 centimeter. So dimensions of the bit 1, dimensions of the model are 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter. And then we have to find ratio between the total surface area of the tank and its model. So bit number 2, total surface area of tank by total surface area of model tank is 1 by K square, that is 1 by 50 whole square, which on calculating we get 50 square, that is 2500 by 1, that is equal to 2500 is to 1 ratio. Start with question 4 bit 1. This is the figure given in which AB is given 12 centimeter, AC is given 15 centimeter, and this big triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can find out the length of BC using Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square minus AB square. Substituting the values and simplifying we get BC is equal to 9 centimeter. And this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so we can find area of triangle ABC as half base into height. So half into BC into 12, that comes to 54 centimeter square. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE, we get ratio of the sides square. So AC square by AD square equal to BC square by DE square equal to AB square by AE square. Now we will take these two ratios Area of triangle ABC we have just now found out to be 54, and area of triangle ADE we will find out, which is BC which is 9 into 9 by DE which is 3 into 3. So we have here area of triangle ADE is equal to 54 by 9, that is 6 centimeter square. Then next we have question number 2, bit 2, that is monthly installment for a recurring deposit account is 2400. So principal is 2400, N is 1 year 6 months, that is 12 plus 6 18 months, and its maturity value is 47304. Rate of interest we have to find out. So we will first find out interest. Interest is equal to MV minus NP, that is 47304 minus 2400 into 18, that is 47304 minus we have 43200, which comes to 4104. So now using the formula of interest, we have I is equal to N into N plus 1 P R by 2400. So R is equal to 4104 by 18 into 19, which on simplifying we get 12% per annum as rate. Then bit number 3, question number 4, bit 3, height in centimeter is given, number of students are given. So here first we have to find cumulative frequency, which is 12, 32, 62, 100, 124, 140, 152 and 160. Now we have to plot this in the graph. So this is the graph, I have already plotted it, and here scale is already mentioned in the paper. 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter on one axis and 2 centimeter equal to 20 students on. So here this side it has been taken 2 centimeter as 20 students on y-axis, and this side we have 2 centimeter as 5 centimeter in x-axis. So this graph is plotted with cumulative frequency. Now we have to find median height. So bit 1, the median height is equal to n by 2th observation. So n is 160, 160 by 2, that is 80th observation. So from the graph we see the 80th observation, which comes out to be 157.50. 80th observation. From this side, from 80 we draw a line such that it touches the ogive, and from here we bring it down, so this comes to 157.5. Then we have to find out interquartile range. So in order to find out interquartile range, we have to find out lower quartile and upper quartile. So lower quartile, that is Q1, is n by 4th observation. So 160 by 4, that is 40th observation. So similarly from the graph we get 152, 40th observation. So from 40 we draw a straight line till it touches the ogive, and where it comes down, here we see the value as 152. Then upper quartile. Upper quartile is 3 into 40, that is 3 into n by 4. So n by 4 is 40. 3 into 40, that is 120th observation, which comes to 164. 120th observation. So from 120 we draw a line where it touches the ogive. Then from here we come down with the arrowhead. We have to indicate the arrow which way the line is moving, and here we get the value of upper quartile, that is 164. Then we have to find the interquartile range. Upper quartile is denoted by Q3. This is Q1. So interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which is 164 minus 152, that comes to 12 centimeter. Then next, bit number 3, we have to find out students whose height is above 172 centimeter. So what we will do here, 172 centimeter from here, height is on x-axis. So where we have 170, this is 170, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So height more than 172. So on 172, from 172 we will draw a line up where it touches the ogive, and from there we will take it to the y-axis. From y-axis, whatever value we get from here, this we get it as 146. Okay, so students whose height are above 172, total number of students are 160 minus 146, which we got from the graph, we get number of students as 14.